everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we're going to see how you can fix your iPhone screen won't rotate. Well, there are a few steps that you can do, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to check is whether your zoom screen is turned on or not. In order to do that, you have to open your settings. And after opening your settings, now scroll down until you see the option of display and brightness. Tap on it. And after tapping on it here, scroll down, then you will be able to see the option of display zoom. Tap on it. Here you can see currently my is default. Your display zoom might be in the larger text like this, and this might be the cause of the problem. So if it is on the larger text, you can simply just tap on default and then make your display zoom default. When you're done with it, tap on done. And now try to rotate your screen again. Scroll down to control panel here, and here you can see it is currently locked, so I'm going to unlock it by simply tapping on the orientation lock. And after you've done that, you can try doing it, and hopefully that would work. But if it still does not work, you might be having an issue with certain apps. So if you are having the issue with certain apps, you can try to update the app by simply just going to an app store and then searching for the app and tapping on the update option. But if these are not the issue and it's still not working, you can try to restart your phone. Sometimes restarting your phone can help you deal with these type of glitch. So in order to do that, you can simply just click on the volume up button and power on button both at the same time like this. And in here, you can see there's the option of slide to power off. You have to simply just slide this off in order to power off. And in order to turn it on, you can simply just hold on to your power button until you see the Apple logo. And like that, you can restart your phone. And if it still does not work, you might have to reset settings. So in order to do that, you can go to the settings. And after going to your settings, now tap on general. And in general, you have to now scroll all the way down, and then you can see the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. And then here you can see the option of reset. Tap on it. And in here, you can see there is the option of reset all settings. You can tap on it. Then you have to enter your passcode of your phone. And again, tap on reset all settings, and it won't really affect on your any of your datas, or it won't remove any kind of datas on your phone, and it will just reset all of your settings into default. So after you have done all of that and it still does not work, it might have to do something with the iOS system error. So for that, you will have to contact to your service provider. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.